Hi, I'm John Shell with CULTEC. We understand that you have many challenges when designing stormwater management for your projects. CULTEC offers a solution that has been performing and evolving for over 35 years. With CULTEC's fully staffed tech team, we are customizing drawings and calc sheets on a daily basis for projects across the US and Canada. Through the years, we have expanded to also offer you a local presence from someone on our team. Having that local presence in your market provides the comfort level you need for each one of your projects. We love the opportunity to educate you on our products, from our internal manifold helping save space and cost, to the widest range of chamber sizes in the industry to better fit your site's depth restrictions, all while minimizing stone amounts and cutting installation time. Visit cultec.com today to sign up for a presentation to learn more details on our product line. We look forward to working with you on your next project.